NBA prize picks. May the 4th be with you. Sorry, had to be done. We got two plays for today's lone NBA game as the Nuggets and the Timberwolves start game one of the Western Conference semifinals tonight. Yesterday, we go 1-0. They reboot Mason Plumlee, who goes for just 2 minutes. So I'm glad Prize Picks did reboot that. And Evan Mobley, as expected, was a complete no-show. So we cashed that one pretty easy. Hopefully, you paired it along in some other places. But fresh start for today. Didn't lose yesterday. Go 1-0. Break a little mini losing streak. Now let's try and get a full win. Let's do the quick intro and let's head to the board. And actually, I should say, let's head to the Proptimizer, the tool available at DFS Army. Everything you need right here. Play number one is Anthony Edwards, more than 5.5 rebounds. This is the prize pick number we're looking at. Got all the odds right here. Minus 140 on FanDuel, minus 145 at PointsBet. You average everything out. That's what this number tells you right here. Minus 137, really solid odds value. Projection model is this far right-hand column. Got it at 5.99, so we are projecting him well over, or healthily over. It's not like 5.51. Decent number over the prize pick line, at basically 6 rebounds in the last series against the Suns. Which, by the way, I had to re-record this video because I kept saying Nuggets against Suns. I don't know why. Could not tell you. It is the Timberwolves, and he went 4 of 5 over this number so far in the playoffs. 6 of 10 going back into the regular season. But as you would expect, the minutes are up, the stats are up across the board. More defense in the playoffs does mean more rebounds. I've been liking the rebound props. So we got good odds, good form, solid projection. Checks those important boxes I talk about if you watch the videos. Let's head on over to Prize Picks, which, by the way, do me a favor, hit the like button if you haven't already, and subscribe to the channel as I momentarily have a brain fart in how to spell Anthony. Could not tell you why there either. Saturday morning. Hope you guys enjoy your weekend. I will have an MMA video out a little bit later today, UFC 301 tonight. So looking forward to that. Anthony Edwards, more than 5.5 rebounds. Got that locked in. We'll head back on over to the Proptimizer real quick, though. You know, I got to tell you, if you're not on Prize Picks Underdog Sleeper, or you want to try that tool for 2 months for free, deposit on any of those sites using the code SNIPER. Links are down below. You get 2 free months, 100% deposit match up to $100, and I should say, or you just want access to the tool, more plays in Discord, link down below to join DFS Army Sniper 20 for your 20% off. Now, let's go back to the tool, and let's find the second play. We're going to go Nikola Jokic, more than 1.5 steals. This is kind of what I knew this was coming. Projection model is just over 1.51. One game, board can be a little bit thin, and we're projecting him over, so I'm going to go ahead. We are going to roll with this. Odds-wise, minus 145 at PointsBet is great odds value. Averaged out across the board to minus 136. Decent value for the pair. I'm looking at in the 5 games against the Lakers. Only went over 2 games and was under in 3 straight. Extend this out, though. Plenty in the recent history going back to the end of the regular season. 7-3 in his last 10. You say, wait, he did go under in the playoffs. Well, that was against the Lakers. Let's head back on over to, this is hashtag basketball to DVP site, sorted by center position. The Lakers did allow the 4th most steals to the center position on the season, but Minnesota a little bit more. 3. They are third, and they give up the 3rd most steals per game to the center position. So you can say the playoff form is a little bit concerning. I would say of what's available on the board in terms of projections and odds, this is the best pair available. I do think, to be clear, Anthony Edwards, more than 5.5 rebounds is my favorite play. This would be number 2. We got form is decent if you extend past the Lakers series, and he did good in the early games in that series. We got a game 1 tonight. Projection is just there. Odds are the best part of this play. It does check all 3 boxes, though some of those boxes may be a little bit thin. Does enough for today's video. Let's head on over and let's go Nikola Jokic, more than 1.5 steals right there. Those are my two plays for the day. If you didn't already, and I asked you earlier, so this time for sure, hit that like button. Here's the recap. We're going to go Anthony Edwards, more than 5.5 rebounds, and Nikola Jokic, more than 1.5 steals. Lock that in, make the play. That's what we got for today. Hopefully you guys enjoy the content. You're enjoying the playoffs. Enjoy your weekend. Nice day here, at least in the Northeast. I don't know what the weather is across the rest of the country, but we got a decent day here. But for now, whether or not you are a DFS Army member, you probably should be. But either way, good luck in those contests, and I'll see you next time.